Hi, so about a year ago I was diagnosed with tendonitis in my wrist, and it was causing a lot of pain, especially when pushing wood through the router table. So I invested in this Comatic baby power feed. So it has three rollers that grabs the wood and pulls it through and saves me having to push the wood through the router table, which helps a lot with the pain and just makes the job easier. Let's get this baby running. So at this point I realised that the power feeder wasn't getting enough traction on the wood, which wasn't allowing it to pull it through smoothly and efficiently. So I then had to adjust the power feeder so that it was getting enough traction to pull the wood through. So with the adjustment to the power feeder and a small adjustment to the speed, the wood was now pulling through at the correct rate and coming out smoothly. So there's quite a few adjustments on the power feeder. So this way you can move the whole arm up and down. There seems to be that many that even I can't figure it out. This one will allow the whole thing to pivot. It's on a ball joint, so it'll move in all directions. And this one allows it to pivot this way. So there's a lot of adjustment on it, which helps when you're setting up for a job. So that's it. It's a good bit of kit for the workshop. It works well with a router table, but it's not the most powerful power feed. I tried it on the planer or jointer if you're in the US, and it's not powerful enough for that. So if you were looking for a power feed for a planer, jointer or table saw, I would buy something with a bit more power. This is just the baby one, great for the router table, but not great for the bigger machinery. Thanks for watching the video. If you've enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to see a full video of me making sash windows, which is what I'm making these profiles for, please hit the link above. Thanks.